Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 23rd May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. World Turtle Day is observed every year on.
Answer is 23rd May. The World Turtle Day is observed on 23rd May every year by American Tortoise Rescue, a non-profit organization. The theme for World Turtle Day 2024 is Turtles Rock. The day is celebrated to raise awareness among people to protect turtles and tortoises and their disappearing habitats around the world.
Question number 2. What is India's rank on the 2024 Travel and Tourism Development Index?
Answer is India's rank 39th. India was ranked 39 out of 119 countries in the recently released Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024 by the World Economic Forum, WEF. The United States of America was ranked number 1 while India was the topmost ranked country in South Asia. USA was followed by Spain, 2nd, Japan, 3rd, France, 4th, Australia, 5th, in the index. The Travel and Tourism Development Index is a biennial report released by the World Economic Forum, WEF. The first index was released in 2022.
Question number 3. Who has become the oldest Indian woman to climb Mount Everest?
Answer is Jyoti Atre. Jyoti Ratri, an entrepreneur and fitness enthusiast from Madhya Pradesh, has become the oldest Indian woman to conquer Mount Everest. The 55-year-old mountaineer reached the summit at 6:30 a.m. on Sunday, 19th May. She broke the record of Sangeeta Bahal, who earned the title of India's oldest woman to climb Mount Everest on 19th May 2018 at the age of 53.
Question number 4. India's first animal vaccine supply chain management system will support by.
Answer is UNDP. United Nations Development Programme. On 20th May 2024, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, DAHD, has signed an MoU with the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, India to enhance the digitalization of vaccine cold chain management, capacity building, and communication planning at UNDP Country Office in New Delhi. Under this, United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, will support India's first animal vaccine supply chain management system to protect communities and animals and prevent the spread of diseases.
Question number 5. Who has been re-elected as the President of the Dominican Republic?
Answer is Luis Abinader. Luis Rodolfo Abinader Corona has been re-elected as the President of the Dominican Republic for second four-year term from 2024 to 2028. He has been serving as the 54th President of the Dominican Republic since 2020. The Dominican Republic is a country on the island of Hispaniola in the Greater Antilles archipelago of the Caribbean Sea, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the north.
Question number 6. General Toulam was elected as the new president of.
Answer is Vietnam. General Toulam was elected as the new president of Vietnam by the Vietnamese parliament on 22nd May 2024. Toulam, who was the public security minister, was removed from his post as minister by the Vietnamese parliament before being elected president. The appointment comes after Vietnam's former president Vo Van Thuong resigned 2 months back amid a corruption crackdown.
Question number 7. India signed $111.26 million contract to supply 200 broad-gauge passenger coaches to?
Answer is Bangladesh. On 20th May 2024, RITES Limited, export arm of Indian Railways, signed a $111.26 million approximately 915 crore rupees, contract to supply 200 broad-gauge passenger coaches to Bangladesh Railways. The contract is funded by Luxembourg-based European Investment Bank, EIB. RITES has won this contract through a global competitive bidding process.
Question number 8. IOCL has exported India's first premium fuel XP100 to?
Answer is Sri Lanka. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL, has exported its first ever parcel of XP100, India's first superior 100-octane premium fuel, from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Navi Mumbai to Lanka, IOC, Sri Lanka. XP100 reduces engine deposits and emissions in high compression ratio engines, optimizing vehicle performance and longevity while minimizing maintenance. XP100 is domestically developed, leveraging Indian Oil's indigenous Optimax technology.
Question number 9. Who was appointed as the Vice President of the International Aluminum Institute?
Answer is John Slavin. On 20th May 2024, Vedanta Aluminum has announced the appointment of its Chief Executive Officer, CEO, John Slavin, as the Vice Chairman of the International Aluminum Institute, IAI. John Slavin will lead a global initiative to promote aluminum's vital role in zero-carbon energy transition. Established in 1972, the International Aluminum Institute, IAI, is the sole organization representing the global primary aluminum industry.
Question number 10. Who has launched the PREFIRE mission to study Earth's polar region?
Answer is NASA. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, has launched the PREFIRE mission on 22nd May 2024. PREFIRE stands for Polar Radiant Energy in the Far Infrared Experiment. The main aim of this mission is to study the Arctic and Antarctic regions. A thermal infrared spectrometer to measure far infrared energy radiated from the Earth's surface is also part of the mission. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.